Last class we discussed the topic working of a computer. That means listening, understand, answer. That is nothing but input, process, output. So listening of the questions refers to the input data. So when we are listening any information, then that is only here given example for computer as input data. So whatever information we are giving to the computer, that one is known as input data. What data? Input data. The next one is understanding. That means you understand the meaning. So whenever we want anybody tell anything, then we have to understand the proper meaning of the same thing. Then we understand after what is doing. We are doing some process, whether we want to doing or not. That we design one thing, no, that is only understanding. Here we are mentioning as process. Understanding the question refers to processing the data. The next last process is answering. So when we are understanding a question, then we are start giving the answer. That is nothing but output for the input. So input, process, output. Here what is given? Answering the question after listening and understanding refers to providing output input, process, output. This only last class we discussed. I hope all can remember. Let me go to this activity. So see the pictures, what the child is doing. So which one is first one, which one is second one, which one is third one. So first one here we given as input, second one we are just going to mention as process, third one is going to be output. See the picture. First taking the chart, this is input. Take the sketch and start drawing, this is process. The final one she is drawing and completed the picture, this is output. Input, process, output. Like this, these two picture also you are going to complete. Mummy's first picture what is doing? She is operating the mixie. She is taking the objects, then she is mixing here, right? She is cutting, here is ready. Here she is the juice is ready. Here she is doing the mixturing work here. Same thing third picture also. See, look at the picture. Cake is ready, oven putting, then he is mixing the ingredients for the cake. So let you decide which one is input, process, output. So you are complete this exercise or task, then you can send me as assignment. Next we are going to the today topic. The devices that are used to enter the data into the computer are called input devices. See, again I am repeating, the devices that are used to enter the data. So by using of keyboard or mouse you are entering the data into the which one? Computer. So whenever we are giving input through the device, that device is known as input device. Example keyboard or mouse. See figure 1.1. Where is figure 1.1? What is this? Yes, mouse. So here this one is given as input device. Next one, input data is processed by a processing device. Input data is processed by a processing device. Here raw data is converted into meaningful information. Here raw data is converted into useful, that means meaningful information. It want to understand some more way in meaningful manner. Each and everything we want to understand meaning way, then only we can do the process. Whatever Miss is telling, you have to understand first, right? So after understanding, you start analyzing yourself. What we have to do next. Likewise, here also we are understanding. That is only processing device. The last one, the devices that are used to show the result after processing the output. So what is given? The devices that are used to show the result after processing are called output. So after the processing work also completed, we are getting the final output. So which are the devices are going to show the output for your system? That one is known as output devices. See, again I repeat you, input devices. Which devices are used to enter the data into the computer? Again, which are the devices used to enter the data into the computer? That one is called input devices. The next category is input data is processed by a processing device. Any one of the device we are used to process the input data, right? Here raw data is converted into meaningful information. So what is given, whatever data you are giving in the computer formation, it will take and processing work doing. The last one is output data. The device the same way like a input device, similarly like input device. So which are the devices are used to show the result after the processing work, that devices are known as output devices. See 1.3, see this is 1.2 processing device. What is the name of the device? Yes, CPU, that is central processing unit. Next one is 1.3 output device example. What is this one? Yes, monitor, MONITOR, monitor. Okay, then next one is storage device. It is like a storage container. Home also, mummy kitchen having lot of the containers, no, rice, dal, sugar, like this. Each of the ingredients mummy is storing in each box, right? Like right now, like this. All the computers are stored inside this equipment or this device. This is no. That's why we are telling this one as storage device. Even your home also, you are storing the songs, any documents, photos, like this in this pen drive, no. Today we are using this pen drive as storage device. Earlier days and all we are using CD, DVD, floppy disk, like this. Okay. Next page we are going to see page number 4. See the topic, activity 2. Do you think clicking the pictures using a digital camera follow as the IPO cycle? Is it right? Yes, right. So when you are just clicking the photo, you are going to give a input to the camera. Whatever object you are going to take the photo as, that one is input. Then after you are just clicking the press button, then what you can see, you are just monitoring the output of the object. Finally you are clicking after, then finally your whatever picture if you want, that should be stored inside the camera. So IPO cycle here also involved. Now input devices. See this picture, what is definition given in the book. The input devices help enter text and give instruction to the computer. What is doing input devices? Help. It is helping the computer to what? To enter the text. If you want to type anything into the computer, by using of this keyboard only you can type A, B, C, D, A to Z, or numericals, whatever you want to do. See this. Here alphabets are available, special keys, then number system. Here top also you are having numbers 0 to 9. Here also 0 to 9. Then plus, minus, multiplication, division, number lock. All the facility options are available in the keyboard, right? Can you see this? Even F1 to F9 also the function keys. Here we are having escape key like this. This is long button having, no, this one is known as space bar key, which is the longest key in the keyboard. Space bar key, alphabet key, space bar key, numerical key, function key, and special keys. That is nothing but delete, Windows, Alt, Shift, like this keyboard buttons. See the keyboard option. The computer keyboard is used to type the text into the computer. So if you want to type the text into the computer, by using of the keyboard only we can type. It has alphabetic keys, number keys, and special keys. Special keys nothing but Shift, Alt, like this. Okay. Next one we are going to see mouse. Yeah, even you also can think mouse like a rat. No, here also this object having a wiring system like a mouse, no. That's why here we are called this one object as mouse. See, a computer mouse is a pointing device. What device? Pointing. So it is showing something specifically. That's why we are telling as pointing device, that help us to point different things on the computer. It is also help us to draw, color, and play games on the computer. So what it is doing? By using of the mouse, you can draw, color, and playing the games. So if you want to play the games, by using of the mouse only we are playing, no? Yeah, very good, correct. In home also you are using joystick to play, no? PlayStations. Yeah, very good, all of you brilliant, I know very well. Next concept we are going to see microphone. Microphone is used to record different sounds into the computer. So if you want to record anything, by using of microphone only you can record your sounds. whatever sound, even if you want to record your own voice or if you want to record any song, any audio, by using of microphone alone, you can use it to record different types of sounds into the computer. Where we are storing the sound? Into the computer. The name of the device used to record, that is nothing but microphone. Spell the word microphone. Microphone. See, all of you see the microphone? Yes, this one is microphone. All of you can see this? Good. Next topic we are going to see is joystick. See, students, this one is joystick. Home also your computer were used to play, or even you can use it to play by using of TV. TV also joystick, right? Nowadays for remote car also we are using joystick controls only. Joystick makes playing computer games a lot more fun. I think in Salem also we are having Funland, no? Most of the students can visit, I think so, like that. You can see there also computer games, your bike game, car games like that you are playing, no? There you are operating like this joystick only, right? Next one is scanner. It is like a Xerox machine. See the scanner machine. Can you see the scanner machine? The blue color.